Hello friends, in this video we are going to see what is fixture, what is its function, how do we differentiate jigs and fixtures, and what are their properties. There are many such topics which needs high understanding, especially for the mechanical engineers. Hello friends, I am Rushabh here to help you out with your problems with 3D animated, well visualized concept in depth through my video. So let's begin. Before we start, I just want you to remind that don't forget to like my video and also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon because I make such informative videos on regular basis. There are groups of people who have technically enhanced their knowledge and can be good enough to answer most of the questions. To be great among these people, we must know the very basic of each subject that has practical application and win over them. Some of you are brilliant in academics and have good hand over topics, but in order to be productive, we must know some major topics which have day-to-day applications and should not belittle ourselves for not knowing everything and can still make most out of it. But when we start sorting out such topics from reference book, we find it too much to understand and then we get depressed and start thinking about how to cover these topics with better understanding to get it through. For instance, just think you are a manufacturer and you have manufactured a component after you got design and all the requirements for its development. The product is being shown which has a simple design but it has a greater application in some of the industries. Now the question arises how you are going to measure the dimensions for checking its quality. Now you might be knowing so many tools. I have shown you two major components which is being used. Yes, it is a vernier caliper and a screw gauge. Till this point it's all correct, but it's possible to check if the production is less. If the production is more in quantity, we have to come up with the alternative workpiece holding devices for manufacturing and also for quality checking. Yes, you have guessed it right, the jigs and fixtures. Finally, we have arrived to our topic. To go through our journey, first we should know the difference and the properties which has been shown here. Getting to the first is jigs. It is used for guiding the tool for operation. Second is robust design to eliminate the instability, and it shows repeatability, accuracy and interchangeability. The next is the fixture. It is used for proper holding of workpiece, used for proper assembly of component, and it is also used for inspection. We've seen all the introduction. Now what's next? You are getting anxious about whole of this topic. The main part of the designing of this masterpiece go through one single topic, that is 3-to-1 principle. To understand this concept, first we need to know the total degrees of freedom of a given object in space. It can go forward and backward, right and left, up and down. It can also pitch, swivel, yawn, roll along its axis. Considering all its constraints, it contains 12 degrees of freedom. To restrict all this, we have to use the principle 3 supports from the base restricts 5 degrees of freedom, but still it can move up, left, right, back, front and spin on its own axis. To make a note here, we are considering only first angle projection. That means positive x and positive y directions are not been considered. For restricting further motion, we are using 2 supports. Restrict almost 6 degrees of freedom, but it is still free to move in positive z direction. Total, there are 11 degrees of freedom which has been restricted now. At last, we had to put one more restriction that will avoid positive z movement. Considering this principle, we have constructed a simple design of a fixture which can ensure the straightness of edges, its dimensions, the position of the hole and its diameter simultaneously. It's a great prototype for the inspection of a workpiece for large scale production. So far we have seen about the fixtures and it's working. It's time for the jigs now. Considering to the basic principle of restricting degrees of freedom and keeping the fact in mind about the robust design and interchangeability of the workpiece, which is fitted in between the work area where the place for the tool to enter is permitted. This simple prototype demonstrates the jig with the tool can be seen going through the holes. The process might be anything like reaming, drilling, broaching, etc. So this is it for this video. If anything should be added to the next video, please let me know in the comment. Do like my video, subscribe my channel and share this to aspirants who are in need of this.